Welcome to watch today's Fresham. This light-filled prefabricated house in the middle of nature is a homage to the case study houses of the mid-century. Clear forms, natural materials and a successful integration into nature, the architectural firm Delavegacanolasso created a prefabricated house that does not appear to be one. The result is a composition of simple yet cozy spaces that open completely to the surrounding nature. Like their surroundings, they are subject to constant change, but thanks to the high quality of the materials used, they can age gracefully, an aspect of great importance to the architectural firm.